This short but powerful practice is to create flexibility in your hips and your hamstrings. We will begin with an upright seated position. Just rest your palms on top of your knees or your thighs, closing down your eyes. To set a short intention for your practice, at the same time connecting to your breath. Now, with that intention, you can keep your eyes closed or flicker them open and start to extend your hands out in front of you, coming into a forward seated fold. Very mindfully, allow yourself to relax into the full expression for your body today. Relax into the breath. Release the pose. Come to an upright spine. Change the cross of your feet, bringing the opposite foot or shin in front. And with an upright spine, take a deep inhale. And then very mindfully coming forward into your fold. And gently release the pose, coming to an upright spine. Bring the soles of the feet together, coming into this butterfly pose. And with a straight back, take a deep inhale. And exhale, come forward. Release the pose. Come through tabletop. And if you wish, take some cat-cows or wag your tail, whatever your body is calling for today, to move the energy, to create the flexibility. And then coming to a neutral spine, step your right foot in between both hands, coming into this lunge. And you can make it into a high lunge if you wish, with your hands on top of your knees. You can even lift your arms high up to the heavens, or you can keep your hands on either side of the right foot. Notice where the stretch feels deep, and notice where the stretch feels as though you can bring your breath in for expansion to create flexibility. Bring both hands on either side of the right foot if they were not there already, and come back into a half split, gently folding into it. Relax into the breath and stay focused on your intention. On the next inhale, come back through that lunge, moving through tabletop. Make any micro movements in preparation for the left side. And when you're ready, step the left foot on the outside. Nope, left foot on the inside. I jumped ahead. Left foot on the inside of both hands. And honor that you may take this pose to the full expression in a different way than you did on the right side. Release the pose, both hands on either side of the right foot, and sit back into your half split. Relax into the pose and enjoy the stretch. If the mind wanders, go back to that intention that you set. Gently release the pose by coming back through that lunge into tabletop. Make any micro movements. And when you're ready, step the right foot on the outside of the right hand, coming into lizard pose. Use the breath to relax into the pose. And if you do need any props, if the hands do not come down to the ground, you can use a block. Honor your body by being gentle and honoring where your body is today, which is different than yesterday and will be different than tomorrow. And using the breath, this is how we create this beautiful flexibility in the body and the mind and the spirit. Release the pose and come back into tabletop. And this time we are taking the left foot on the outside of the left hand, coming into lizard on the left side. Use your breath to relax into the pose. Staying focused on your intention so your mind stays free of distraction. Gently release the pose through tabletop. And to finish, we're going to come into child's pose. Allow yourself to completely release and let go in your child's pose. Take a deep inhale and exhale out of the mouth. Very gently release the pose, coming up to a straight spine. And bringing the hands together in prayer pose in front of the heart. Close your eyes and bow your head to your heart center, honoring yourself for taking the time to create this flexibility in your hips, in your hamstrings, and honoring yourself for taking the time for self-care so that you can be as happy and healthy in body, mind, and spirit as you possibly can right now in this moment. I honor you and I bow towards you. Namaste.